First, we're going to use Google Earth, and we're going to do a quick plane ride. I'll show you where we're going to start. Okay, so here's where we're starting, and we're going to fly up high, 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 so we can see the city of Philadelphia. We're going to keep going even higher, so we can see the state of Pennsylvania. We're going to keep going even higher, so that we can see all of the almost all of the United States of America. I'm missing Hawaii and Alaska. But let's keep going. Up, up, up. And now let's come down to Costa Rica. That's right. Okay. Even further to the place you've been studying. To Monteverde, there in the rainforest. And you can see how deep that green is. So Wendy is somewhere in that green space, and she is going to show you her favorite climbing tree. Yes. Remind us about strangler fig trees.
Okay, first of all, in the forest, in the cloud forest, there are many different trees, very important and very interesting trees. One very special group are ficus trees or strangler figs, right? So we have one here, and I want to show you. We're going to walk around the tree, and I'm just going to turn my camera like that so you can see the tree. Okay? You're just looking at part of the tree, basically the base of the ficus strangler fig all the way up. Those trees can grow very, very high up.
Wendy, can Albert stand near the tree so we can see how big the tree is compared to Albert?
Sure. We are both very little. So.
That helped a lot.
Okay.